Welcome to my kitchen. This is where all the cooking magic begins. From my kitchen to yours. Let's begin. Welcome once again, guys. This is Lizmagic, and today I'm going to share with you how I make a moist, delicious cornbread. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add 2 cups of cornmeal, and this is the ratio I usually use. 2 cups of cornmeal I add into my bowl. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add 1.5 cups of flour to my cornmeal, 1 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt. That's my dry ingredients. I'm gonna mix my dry ingredients together. And as I would say, guys, if you want to increase the amount of cornbread you're making, just double up. This that I'm doing right now, I will get 2 loaf pans out of this. Make sure you mix your dry ingredients well, because you don't want to have any lump in it. The next thing I'm going to prepare is my wet ingredients. For my wet ingredients, I have 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. I'm adding some butter into it, and this I'm going to put in a microwave to melt the butter. I melt my butter and I'm letting it cool down before I add it to my dry ingredients. Now I'm doing my eggs. And hi guys, for those who are new to my channel, welcome. This is Lizmagic. Thank you for stopping over. Don't forget to subscribe and like and leave me a comment. And for my usual and faithful people, thank you for always being there. I do appreciate you guys. Eggs are in my bowl. I'm just going to quickly whisk my eggs. Using an electric mixer. You can use a fork, anything you choose. Eat your egg, it's your choice. Finish, you don't have to overdo it. Next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grease my loaf pans, get them ready for my cornbread. You can use butter to grease them up, whatever you like. Now for the next step, I have 1.5 cups of 1/2 cream. Add it to my dry mixture. Add in my eggs to the dry mixture also. Next step, my mixture with my butter and my vegetable oil that I melt in a microwave. I'm gonna add that too, all into it. And remember now, I'd let that cool after I took it out the microwave. Now I'm gonna mix it all in there, the dry and the wet ingredients. And guys, following this video and doing it the way I'm doing it, you will be pleasantly delighted and surprised, because you will get a moist cornbread. It's finished. You can see it, the mixture. And as I said, this will give me 2 loaf pan. I'm gonna fill up my pan and I'm gonna bake this at 350 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. At the 30 minutes mark, I'll check on it just to make sure. At the half-hour mark, I'm just gonna check and see. You can see, and I can tell just looking at it, that it still needs to bake some more. I'm not even gonna test it with my toothpick. I'm just gonna put it for another 15 minutes and let the top get golden brown, then we come back. Here we are at the 45 mark. I'm just gonna take cornbread out the oven, do a little test with a toothpick, put the toothpick in, pull it out, look, there's nothing on it, it's dry. So I know my cornbread is finished. I'm gonna take it out my loaf pan. It's cool, and I'll show you guys how it look at the bottom. There is the bottom. Look at the top. And I'm gonna slice it and show you a slice. Remember, I tell you, this is gonna be one of the moistest cornbread you ever eat. And believe me, the next video I'm gonna do the real Jamaican cornmeal pudding. Make you guys see what it's all about. Here it is, guys. A slice. I told you it is moist. Look, when you cut into it, you can see how moist it is. There. Bing, just like magic.